Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Salsabilla Febriani, and today I am going to talk about very important topic that is environmental issue and climate change. As we can see from the picture, our Earth is getting warmer and it affects all of us. Let's dive into the details. So, first, let's understand what these terms actually means. So, environmental issue are the harm done to our earth because of human activities. Example that we see every day are plastic pollution and deforestation or cutting down forest. On the other hand, climate change refers to the long-term change in global temperature and weather patterns. This happens because heat is trapped inside our atmosphere. In short, human action are changing the weather and damaging nature. So, why do this problem happen? There are three main reasons listed. So the first one is fossil fuels. We burn a lot of coal, oil, and gas for our cars and electricity. This action releases gases and trap heat like a blanket around the earth. The second one is deforestation. Trees help clean the air by absorbing carbon dioxide or CO2. When we cut them down, more CO2 stays in the air and makes the planet hotter. And the third one is industrial waste. Our industries use mass production to make things quickly, but this also creates massive pollution in our land and water. And then, now you might wonder, why do we see this problem so much in major, wealthy nation? So the first reason is their huge industries. Big countries run the world's largest factories and manufacturing plants, which burn massive amounts of energy every single day. And the second reason is high consumption. People living in large economies tend to use more vehicles, buy more goods, and consume way more electricity than the smaller nations. Therefore, their carbon footprint is much bigger. And then, even though big countries produce most of the pollution, this is a global problem. Why? Because atmosphere has no borders. Air moves everywhere. Pollution created in one country mixes into the shared air that travels all around the world. So this creates a dangerous domino effect. For example, when polar ice melts, it causes rising sea levels that can flood a small island nation. Extreme weather also causes food shortages everywhere, affecting innocent people who didn't even cause the pollution. So, how do we solve it? The situation looks bad, but we can still fix it. Here is how we can solve it. First one, clean energy. We must switch from fossil fuels to clean energy like solar and wind power. The second one is protect nature. We need to plant more trees and restore our forest to absorb the bad gases. The third one is reduce waste. Personally, we must consume less, use less plastic, and recycle more. That's all for me for today. Thank you so much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.